What's your advice to other people out there listening in who are looking to launch their vision in the near future, Monish? Is it to go all guns blazing, to give everything, to give every waking hour to the project, or is it to play it a little bit more carefully and keep your eggs in other baskets, as in have a day job and then work on this at night, etc.? What do you think works when it comes to launching a successful startup?
No, I think I would go with the first one, where you go all guns blazing, because it's if you want your startup to be successful, you need to put the extra hours, you need to put the sacrifices and the right hard work into the business, because it's something which is your passion and something which you want it to be successful in the future. So I would say, as an entrepreneur myself, I put all my eggs in one basket, and I put almost I would say 16 to 18 hours a day for it to be successful.
So how do you combat the fear of failure again? I mean, is that something that you have to consider when going into these things, or do you just never ever use the F word?
No, I think failure is something which gives us a learning curve, and it's very important to have a failure in your entrepreneurship career, because that's something which you not make the fault the second time. But having said that, our team is we are always customer focused and customer facing, so there is a chance of having a failure at some point, but what we do is to learn from it and actually move on from it and not repeat the same mistake again.
Join the conversation
on Dubai Eye 103.8.